question was this. Is it irresponsible or inappropriate to use a Gmail account for business? Let's talk about Gmail as a business email. Well, first of all, if I have a business, and I do have a business, I am not going to use an AOL or a Hotmail or a Yahoo email address for business. I personally believe that is not showing the level of professionalism that you could show in business by using, again, an AOL, Hotmail, or a Yahoo email account. Now, Gmail's a little bit different because Gmail is highly accepted in lots of spaces and in a lot of people. There's 1.5 billion Gmail email accounts out there, roughly. However, there's another level you can go. Now, let me first share with you that Gmail is really useful. And by the way, Outlook can do the same thing. If you have an Outlook or a Microsoft Office account, or Microsoft 365 account. I put that in the same category as a Gmail account. Because look here, I have my Gmail account. This is my Burris Consulting at gmail.com. But look what I have. Not only do I have email, but I have YouTube, I have chat, I have context, drive, calendar. I have docs, sheets, and slides, and forms, and what's some other tools I have here? I have Google Voice. If I want to get a Google Voice number, if I can get a Google Voice number for a Gmail account, I have lots of tools built into gmail.com for, again, this email address, which is burrisconsulting at gmail.com. Free Gmail. Now that's pretty useful. And by the way, I have 15 gigabytes of space in my Google Drive, which also includes photos and email. That's a whole lot of space to get started using gmail.com for your business. But you may want to move a little higher. And a little higher would be to move to Google Workspace. And I'll show you my business side. Here's my Google Workspace account. Not only do I have full-blown Gmail, but my emails come out as from tlburris at burrisconsulting.com. First of all, that's my business email address. And additionally, I have all of the other same features, Gmail, docs, sheets, slides, etc., etc., etc. I have a little bit more control over security. I have a little bit more control over a few actions on sharing, nothing significant for the most part beyond Gmail. But it's a different presentation when you send an email from tlburris at burrisconsulting.com versus teddyburris at gmail.com. Just a little bit better presentation. And additionally, with a Google Workspace account, not only can I have TL Burris at Burris Consulting, but I have 5 other users on my domain. So I have multiple email accounts under burrisconsulting.com because we are a business. And some of those are real humans, my business partner, an admin who works for me. But I also have a YouTube at Burris Consulting. I have an info and a sales at Burris Consulting. So all of those are under one domain, and furthermore, it really makes it easier for sharing the documents that I want to share. So I can share documents with others in my domain really easily, and I can collaborate very easily. Now I can do this with Gmail as well, but it's more secure when I do it within my own domain. So to answer the question, I don't think there's anything really wrong with gmail.com as an email address to get your business started. I'm not a fan of AOL, Hotmail, Yahoo, and others. I think that gmail.com aligns very well, or Microsoft Office 365 aligns well with gmail.com. But I think if you really want to take your business to a whole nother level, then you're going to want to consider a custom domain, whether it's in Gmail or Microsoft Office 365, so that your business is perceived a little bit better than just having a Gmail account. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you. By the way, one other point, I think it's only $6 a month per account to have a Google Workspace account. Plus you got to pay for your domain, $20 a year. So it's fairly inexpensive to do it. And if you reach out to me, I may have some coupons for you.